Hello, everyone. It's me, John, back here to talk to you guys about comparative advantage. I'm going to be doing some examples today. It sounds like the construction is back going on outside my house, so it might be a little loud. I'm going to try and talk clearly and loud, and hopefully that'll help you guys out. Again, I don't know why my little tag at the bottom is so small, but whatever. It's not the important part. The important part is you guys see the title, Comparative Advantage Illustrated. And let's get started. So I hope you, really quick, I hope you watch both the absolute advantage and the comparative advantage defined videos before this. It'll make this video actually make sense. If you don't do it, I don't know that this video will make sense. We're gonna start with it. We're just gonna jump right into an example. So Linda and Zhang both make boots and sneakers. Linda can produce 4 pairs of boots or 4 pairs of sneakers per hour. Zhang can produce 2 pairs of boots or 1 pair of sneakers per hour. We're going to draw 2 PPF graphs for the 10 hours for if they had 10 hours of work. Over here, I drew the PPF graphs. I drew it on the same page, on the same one graph because it looks nicer on my computer, easier for you guys to see. So over here we have Linda's PPF graph in the red and Zhang's in the blue. Now Linda has absolute advantage. She can produce all of this that Zhang cannot produce. Yeah, just giving you guys the illustration. So now the key to comparative advantage, it takes less time for Linda to make both goods. So it appears that it costs less for her to produce both goods. But that is not true because we are not including the opportunity costs. Solving comparative advantage. The comparative advantage problems always have a story to tell. The story always has the same format. Linda and Zhang can't decide what to make. If Linda makes boots, she won't be able to make X amount of sneakers. If Zhang makes sneakers, he won't be able to make Y amount of boots. For Linda, the opportunity cost for making a pair of boots is 1 pair of sneakers because you do 4 divided by 4. The opportunity cost for making a pair of sneakers is 1 pair of boots. Again, 4 over 4. The opportunity cost for making a pair of, for Zhang, the opportunity cost for making a pair of boots is half a pair of sneakers. You do the 1 pair of sneakers per hour divided by 2 pairs of boots. You get half a pair of sneakers. The opportunity cost for making a pair of sneakers is 2 pairs of boots. You do 2 pairs of boots over the 1 pair of sneakers being made in the hour, 2 pairs of boots. So now we're going to compare who has a higher opportunity cost to produce sneakers. So who has the higher cost to produce sneakers or who has the higher cost to produce boots? Over here, got a little table. You can see that Linda, and for Linda, it's 1 for 1, both. For Zhang, it's half a pair of sneakers, 2 pairs of boots. You got your table. It's very easy to see, very easy to understand the data. So now suppose we give each to work for 10 hours producing the good they make the cheapest. Who makes what? Zhang makes boots because of his lower cost. So Linda makes sneakers because of her lower cost. Even though Linda could make more sneakers, more boots than Zhang, and more sneakers than Zhang, she still goes for sneakers because she has the lower cost. How much can they each produce in 10 hours? Zhang will make 20 pairs of boots. Linda will make 40 pairs of sneakers. Now, they can trade to reach production frontiers they would not usually be able to achieve. So Linda could trade 3 pairs of shoes for 5 pairs of boots, giving her and Zhang both more goods than they could have produced on their own. And we're going to show that right here. So over here, you've got your 3 boots traded for 5 sneakers, putting Linda above her PPF line. You've got your 5 boots traded for 3 sneakers, putting Zhang above his PPF line. Both of them have produced stuff that they usually would not be able to, but are able to now because of trade, because they both focused on their comparative advantage. How applicable is this? This works for any 2 people that don't produce at the same ratios. That's not something you're going to see a lot happening in the real world, so pretty applicable right there. This was originally used to model trade between countries. If you want to take Econ 28B, the global economy, you'll see a lot of this. And it's a really, it's a really interesting class. I'd recommend you take it, and you get the comparative advantage stuff gets pretty straightforward by then. So I'd really recommend taking it, especially if you are at all interested in this or the global economy. Comparative advantage is a powerful concept that shows how to find mutually beneficial trades, and with comparative advantage, everyone can gain from trade. All right, thank you. That's everything I have for today. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you have a great day. Figure out how to stop recording. Thank you so much.